Well, today is July 9th, and we had torrential rains all night long. Pumpkin patch is pretty flooded right now. And it's still raining right now. Hopefully they won't be all drowned out. I'm crossing my fingers they'll be doing okay, but you never know. Just one of those things. As you can see, the plants are getting pretty big. Leaves are big as my hand, so we'll see. You can see down here on the south side of the garden we got plants underwater. Oh boy. Oh, that don't look good. Well, hopefully it'll stop raining sometime today. We had a hailstorm a couple weeks ago, and we got damage on most of the leaves. We had about quarter size hail, pea-sized hail. But luckily that's all it did, was just leave little holes. Alright, take care everybody.